Without why no?
Okay.
Yeah. Will you give me it?
I don't want the mist. Okay, pure, not half only.
Half. Good. And I will wine. And cheers. Julie.
Chili.
Sakai.
Kagay.
Good, huh?
It's not bad for you, but for me, you know that I don't love wine.
You don't love wine.
I don't love wine.
You don't know what is wine.
Ah,
Because no.
you will see when I love wine. Every day I will drunk. I will be drunk every day. I'm drunk. Will you that? Every day I'm drunk.
This storage today, this here, need to spend it all because we'll look, it's good for now. If stayed little longer, it's not good more.
Okay.
One orange I dropped because that. Or you have to find the place, but I don't know where.
Please for what?
Place for that. That is not here is, you know, when you're cooking very warm, you know. And because that this temperature is not good for that and going, you know.
I will eat later. All.
And me the same, don't worry, you will eat.
Okay.
I love that the place. And sometimes you know what is before head place. That I will eat cake soup from chicken, and I will eat orange banana, and this is my food, really.
Ah,
What?
we will try, will you? Today we will eat only fruits and vegetables. No fish, no meat.
Today is Saturday, so tomorrow is Sunday. Yeah.
Oh, so yeah?
You think that I will? If I look.
Yeah, because you don't have work, you need to eat like that. Not heavy. Will you? I'm not going to cook. Will you?
Because I'm hungry. I'm angry.
Uh-huh.
Hungry, you know that.
Hungry, huh? Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Here. Where is here?
Are you cook, Sharon? Are you ready to cook, Sharon, today?
Yes. I'm ready.
Okay. Where's Lemon?
Here is me. Let's say what? Okay, that will keep here, huh? Okay, here, huh?
Okay.
Okay, here. Then I will put something here.
Do you know, honey?
Yeah.
You know that why I don't wanna take the sharan? We don't have big knife, you know.
Honey, you can shut down cook, you know.
Uh-huh.
Never mind.
How never mind?
For Sharon, you got a reason, but for other fish, no reason. Never mind, it's a listen. Yes, honey. Okay, I understand, honey. For Sharon, you will find reason. Yes.
Because you know it's literally
No, because you will listen to me. It will be Sharon or I don't know.
honey. Okay, no more reason. Stop. You know?
That you put the fridge the same, huh?
What is that? No. Leave in the table.
Table.
Leave in the table, honey, because here is crowded, you know.
I put here. And now, just look here. That I will put in fridge, huh?
No.
No. Here.
Fruits here or here.
Here. Put.
Sharon, I got reason, huh? Honey. 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 So wordy.
That you got in fridge, huh?
Yes.
Will you eat something?
No, honey. You can eat.
Yeah, I saw that here.
Because I know you are hungry. Hungry.
That's in fridge, huh? That
Here.
here. Grach, beans, up, huh?
Up. Aray.
That we put.
Here, honey. I told you, put all together in the table because
Okay. Table like this.
Here is crowded, honey. Oh my God, look.
Never mind.
How never mind? Ugod haron dong. Hindi lang.
Yeah, yeah. You're talking Tagalog now. I will talk.
You talk Croatian also. What can
Yeah,
I?
yeah.
Huh?
And okay. I will talk Croatian.
Okay. Talk what you
Toilet
want.
there, huh?
And I will talk what I want.
Paper toilet or in toilet, huh? Yeah, she shut.
You know where? Why are you asking, huh? If you know. Ha, Gurani?
Can I turn on TV? Huh?
Okay.
Because I don't know. Maybe you got interviews. So. Who knows? There you go. Who knows? Sa parane. TV. You were hiding, huh?
Yeah, I'm hiding, honey. I'm hiding.
Yeah, I know. My love wants to see